Can learning how to make clean water save your life? Have you been wondering if the water coming out of your faucet is clean enough to drink? And if it is time to learn how to make clean water without depending upon the public water supply system? Many people worry about this, so they buy bottled water, which in many cases can be just as bad or worse than tap water. Some people purchase water filtration systems for their house without realizing the risks involved with them. You have reason for concern about the safety of your drinking water because the Environmental Working Group revealed in their 2009 analysis of water utility tests that there are at least 74 million Americans in 42 states who are drinking chromium and metal-polluted tap water. You may remember the Erin Brockovich movie that was based on a real-life story about the $333 million settlement that Pacific Gas and Electric Company had to pay to the residents in Hinckley, California, when they proved their cancer was linked to the hexavalent chromium-contaminated tap water. This is enough proof that public water supply systems are not safe and that you need to learn how to make clean water to stay healthy. The Natural Resource Defense Council says drinking water plants are old and out of date, and water supplies are increasingly threatened and contaminated by chemicals and microorganisms. The former chief of the U.S. EPA, Carol Browner, adds, "The way we guarantee safe drinking water is broken and needs to be fixed." Dr. David Ozanoff of the Boston University of Public Health, who is a contaminated water authority, warns people that the risk of disease associated with public drinking water has passed from the theoretical to the real. If bottled water is not the answer, then maybe you fill a water filter on your tap would suffice. Most of these water filters only remove chlorine and not the dangerous chemicals lurking unseen in the tap water. Water filters also have to be changed repeatedly because the more contaminants they trap, the less efficiently they work. So you must keep careful track of how much water they clean. Basically, you are using your own body as a filter to trap and store these dangerous contaminants. The Natural Resource Defense Council, Jacqueline Warren, reported, "The one thing we know for sure about toxins in our drinking water is that the more we look, the more we find. Now is the time to learn how to make clean water for yourself and your family's safety and survival." www.absoluterights.com